Okay, Dakin. Why is light why is light very important for us to see object?
Because because we can
Sorry?
because we can see the object
You can see the object. Can move to the back. Why the light is very important for us to see objects?
because light help us to see. Without light, our eyes cannot give
Okay,
any
good.
image.
Why do smooth surface reflect light more clearly than rough surface? Why do smooth surfaces reflect light more clearly than rough surfaces? Move to the back. Why do smooth surfaces reflect light more clearly than rough surface? Okay, move to the back. What would happen if all objects around us had a rough surface?
Uh, the object will travel in many directions.
Okay, good. How the light reflects from a shiny pot? What is the difference of the reflect of the light from a shiny spoon and from clothing?
What?
Compare how light reflects from a shiny spoon and from clothing.
The shining spoon.
How's the reflection? Okay, move to the back. Compare the difference between the reflection of the shiny spoon and from the clothing.
The shiny spoon reflects light well and clear, while cloth cannot reflect light.
Okay. Why the light is very important for us to see?
Because the light help us to see around by travel to our eyes
Okay,
and the
good.
object.
Why does light still travel in straight lines after it is reflected? Why does the light still travel in straight lines after it is reflected?
Because
Okay. Why does the light still travel in straight lines after it is reflected?
because they have the smooth surface and it reflects light clearly in one direction.
Okay, let's go back. Can you give the examples of smooth surfaces and rough surfaces.
The smooth surface, mirror,
Rough surface,
surface,
hmm?
wood,
Wood. Move to the back. Why does light still travel in straight lines after it is reflected? When the light comes and goes to one object, it will be
because
reflected, but the reflection always straight line. Why is it? Because
the light reflects off and continue in a new straight line.
okay, move to the back. This one jadi apa? What is the difference between the reflection of the light in the shiny spoon on the shiny spoon and on the cloth?
Shiny spoon can reflect light clearly and well, but the cloth cannot.
Okay. Why is light very important to us to see objects?
Because if we cannot see object, we cannot. If we cannot see object, we don't know what is that thing.
So what is the relationship between light and our eyes? What is the relation between the light and our eyes?
Like, able we to see, but eyes only can.
Why is light very important for us to see objects?
Because if there is no light, we're not able to see at all.
So how the light help us to see the object?
The light travels to our eyes, so we can see anything.
So why is the light very important for us to see objects?
If there is no light, we cannot see clearly.
So you mean you still can see if there is no light, but it's not clearly. You still can see or you cannot see at all.
You can see.
So please explain how the light help us to see objects. How the lights help us to see objects.
But the light travel to the object and then reflect to our eyes and enter to our eyes.
Very nice, very smart. Good. So, which one can reflect the light well? Smooth surface or rough surface?
Smooth.
Can you mention the example of this both surface?
Smooth surface.
Yeah.
Mirror.
Sorry?
Mirror.
Kita lumes.
Mirror.
Mirror. Rough surface?
Wall.
Wall. Okay, very nice. After the light reflects, the light still travel in the straight line. Please explain why.
Because have straight line.
Because the light
Travel use straight line.
Okay, go to the back. Okay. What is the difference of the reflection between shiny spoon and clothing?
Shiny spoon and what?
Clothing, cloth.
Shiny spoon reflect well, but cloth is can reflect light well.
So which one that can? Okay, go to the back. So which one of the surface that can reflect the light well? Rough surface or smooth surface?
Smooth surface.
Smooth surface.
Yeah.
So mention both of the surface examples.
Smooth surface, mirror, and rough surface, a brick.
What?
A brick.
Okay. So, what would happen if all objects around us had rough surface?
It
Oh my god.
it make it making it reflection is impossible, and mirror become useless. It's only because it cannot reflect the light.
So you mean here. So you mean the rough surface cannot reflect the light?
It's only scatter it around.
Okay. What is the difference between the shiny spoon and the coating wet reflect the light?
Cutting light is what?
Oh, sorry. What is the difference between the shiny spoon and the cloth when they reflect the light? Cloth.
Shiny spoon can reflect the light clearly, while what the name is?
Cloth.
Cloth cannot reflect light clearly.
Okay, move to the back. So, please explain how the light help us to see the object.
See what?
See the objects, the object.
By by reflect our eyes.
Explain in detail.
The light travel to our eyes use straight line.
So the light directly travel to our eyes. Move to the back. Please explain how the light help us to see the objects.
The light reflect to the object, and the object reflect to our eyes.
The object reflect to our eyes. The object directly go to our eyes. The object move. So how? Move to the back. What would happen if all objects around us had a rough surface?
We will not able to see clearly, and there is almost no reflection.
Okay. So, why does the light still travel in straight lines after it is reflected?
Because light only can go to straight line. It's still the same when it's reflect.
Okay, very nice, very smart. Explain how the light help us to see the objects.
By the light can produce light source, so we can see our object in around.
To the back. Between the smooth surface and rough surface, which one that can reflect the lights well?
Smooth surface.
Give the examples of both.
Smooth surface can reflect light well.
The examples.
Example: mirror,
Okay. Rough surface.
rough surface, wall.
Okay, move to the back. So, Charlene, what would happen if all objects around us had a rough surface?
We if We can reflect light to the object because there are no smooth surface.
Okay.